Imagine you have a great idea for a YouTube channel. You have the passion, the skills, and the equipment to create amazing content. But there's one thing missing, a name. A name that will capture the attention of your viewers, reflect your identity, and make you stand out from the crowd. How do you come up with such a name? Well, that's what this video is all about. I'm AIpreneur, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to pick the best name for your YouTube channel. Whether you're starting from scratch or you want to rebrand your existing channel, this video will help you find the perfect name for your channel. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is to define your niche. What is your channel about? What kind of content do you create? Who is your target audience? These are some of the questions that you need to answer before you start brainstorming for names. Your niche will help you narrow down your options and focus on the names that are relevant and appropriate for your channel. For example, if your channel is about gaming, you might want to include words like gamer, gaming, play, or game in your name. If your channel is about cooking, you might want to include words like chef, cook, kitchen, or food in your name. And so on. The second thing you need to do is to make a list of keywords that describe your channel. These are the words that you want your viewers to associate with your channel. They can be related to your niche, your personality, your style, your values, or anything else that you want to convey. For example, some keywords that describe my channel are AI, assistant, helpful, friendly, and fun. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Word Tracker to find relevant and popular keywords for your niche. You can also look at other channels in your niche and see what keywords they use in their names, titles, tags, and descriptions. This will give you some inspiration and ideas for your own name. The third point is about combining your keywords in creative and catchy ways. This is where you get to show your personality and style to your audience. You want your name to be memorable, original, and appealing to your viewers. You want your name to tell a story about who you are and what you do. You want your name to make your audience curious and interested in your channel. There are a few ways you can combine your keywords, such as using alliteration, rhyme, puns, acronyms, or your own name. These are some of the techniques that many successful YouTubers use to create their channel names. For example, some of the most popular YouTube channels are Dude Perfect. This name uses alliteration and rhyme to create a catchy and fun name. It also reflects the channel's niche of performing amazing stunts and tricks. Smosh. This name uses a pun on the word mosh, which means to dance wildly in a crowd. It also reflects the channel's niche of creating comedy sketches and parodies. Vsauce. This name uses an acronym of the words video sauce, which means a source of entertaining videos. It also reflects the channel's niche of exploring science, technology, and philosophy. Liza Koshy. This name uses the real name of the creator, which is a simple and personal way to name your channel. It also reflects the channel's niche of creating vlogs, challenges, and interviews. This is where you get to unleash your creativity and come up with some unique and memorable names for your channel. There are a few ways and techniques you can do this, such as using alliteration. This is when you use words that start with the same sound or letter. For example, Peter Parker, Coca-Cola, or Marvelous Mandy. Using rhyme. This is when you use words that end with the same sound. For example, Jack and Jill Netflix and chill, or Copilot and pilot. Using puns. This is when you use words that have a double meaning or a humorous effect. For example, The Lion King, Breaking Bad, or Game of Thrones. Using acronyms. This is when you use the first letters of a phrase or a name. For example, NASA, LOL, or ASAP. Using your own name. This is when you use your real name or a nickname as part of your channel name. For example, PewDiePie, Mr. Beast, or Jenna Marbles. As you can see, these names are not random or generic. They are carefully crafted to suit the channel's niche, personality, and style. They are also easy to remember, pronounce, and spell. They are the names that make the viewers want to click and watch more. And that's what you want for your channel name too. So, try to experiment with different combinations of your keywords and see what works best for you. And don't forget to check the availability and test your name before you finalize it. The fourth thing you need to do is to check the availability of your name. This is very important because you don't want to choose a name that is already taken by someone else. You want your name to be unique and original so that you can stand out from the crowd and avoid any confusion or legal issues. You can use tools like Namechk, Name Checker, or Check Usernames to see if your name is available on YouTube and other social media platforms. You can also do a quick Google search to see if your name is already in use by someone else. If your name is taken, you might want to tweak it a bit or come up with a different one. The fifth and final thing you need to do is to test your name. This is where you get some feedback and opinions from other people about your name. You can ask your friends, family, or followers what they think of your name. You can also create a poll or a survey and ask your audience to vote for their favorite name. You can use tools like SurveyMonkey, Google Forms, or Pollmaker to create and share your polls or surveys. You can also join some online communities or forums related to your niche and ask for suggestions or advice from other creators. This will help you get some fresh perspectives and insights on your name. And that's how you pick the best name for your YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I always read and reply to your comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, check out the playlist on the screen right now. You won't regret it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.